Hey guys, so I am so excited to be here right now and to be revealing my sister's living room. If you haven't yet subscribed, I have some really fun videos coming up. You can also check out my Instagram and my TikTok if you haven't already. I have been waiting for this day for so long. I have been so impatient. I just want to show you guys what I worked hard on. But we had some roadblocks, so I'm just going to quickly explain why this reveal has been a little bit delayed. Basically, long story short, the coffee table for the space is actually a custom coffee table. It is a live edge, beautiful coffee table that Garrett's dad, or Katie's father-in-law, made for us, and it is the most beautiful thing ever, and I basically designed the space around it. The only problem though is that Garrett's parents live in Maine and we live in New Hampshire, and it's a pandemic. So we had initially planned for Garrett's parents to bring the table during the holiday festivities like Thanksgiving and stuff, but that ended up not being a possibility. They weren't able to come for Thanksgiving because the pandemic is still in full swing and we want to stay safe. We have a lot of family members who are susceptible and we're taking this very seriously. And because we are taking this so seriously, it was hard for us to find a safe way to get the table here. We finally were able to get it here safely. So when I did my parents' house, I was able to have them be away for a little bit, but that was not a possibility with Katie and Garrett. They needed to be at their home. So there's a few things that they have seen the process of and that they know is already in the space. So they know about the built-in, they know about the textured wall and like all of those concrete elements that are built into the space, but I still wanted there to be a surprise. So what I did was I took one day, brought in all of the different decor pieces to kind of pull the whole room together and really give it that end final effect. Once we got the table, I took a day to just bring in everything, all the picture frames, all the pillows, rugs, random vases, books, like all of those things. I took one day to bring all of that in so that they could have a surprise. And I also showed them a video of what the space used to look like before everything started, just so that they could have a reminder before I showed them the final reveal. Also, I am almost done with my designs for people who tagged me in TikTok videos, my YouTube video that's coming soon. I'm almost done. I'm about halfway through the designs. It's a very lengthy process to come up with designs and model them out and all of that stuff. So that's been taking a while, but that is coming soon after this video. So make sure to subscribe so you can be notified as soon as that video comes out. And also, I am starting on a video where I make designs for people who have DM'd me on Instagram for YouTube. So that is coming after that one. Once again, I just want to remind you guys that my sister and brother-in-law are not the most crazy about being filmed, so they kind of resort to comedy and laughter, similar to the porch reveal that I did in the past. So just kind of keep that in mind. They're not the emotional reactors like my parents were, but it's definitely going to be a good time. It's going to be funny, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get into it. I wanted to make a quick recap of everything that has gone into the living room, and if you want more in-depth details, you can check out my TikTok and my Instagram. The first step was to paint all of the walls an off-white color, and they're previously a light blue color, so it really warmed up the space. Then I added a dark green accent wall behind the TV to really help divide up the space. I held a poll on my Instagram to see if people preferred diagonal or vertical textured walls, and they chose diagonal. So that is what I did, and I hid the cords for the TV in a cord cover that I put in the same direction as the diagonal lines. Next, I added a green half wall behind the couch, and this is because the couch wasn't ideal for this scenario. Adding a deep green paneling behind the couch made it feel more luxurious and also helped to camouflage the couch since it wasn't necessarily ideal, but they had just purchased it. Next up was the built-in, so I started out by looking on Facebook Marketplace for some inexpensive shelving that I could use. After I found shelving units that fit, I actually found these barn benches for only $5, and I used those in the center of the built-in. More details are on my TikTok, but essentially I had to strip down some of the paint from the window light. We screwed everything into place and added a little raised portion for the vent that was at the bottom. We also cut holes for any outlets so that we could put the outlet covers in front of it for a clean finish. We added some extra wood and trim where necessary, and we sanded and painted everything. Then it was time for the details, so I refinished the ceiling fan and brought in a whole bunch of different decorative elements. And then the space was ready to be revealed. Okay, remember what it used to look like from the videos? Do you remember? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, oh my goodness. I feel like an adult. It really comes together with all your decorations, Emily.
These big prints? Is that a real plant? Because I'll kill it.
No. No, don't stand on the table.
Why not?
No.
Because you want like 145 pounds.
You're definitely over 145.
Wow.
I thought it was 120.
What are you doing?
Miss Melissa's puzzle made it in. Wow, that was romantic.
I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you can see my really fun videos that are coming up very soon. And also, make sure to check out my TikTok if you haven't yet, because that's where I post every single day or multiple times a day with different tips and tricks, and it's just my most used platform. Also Instagram, I've been starting to post there a lot more, and also post some of my TikToks on my Instagram for those who don't have TikToks. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting me. I really appreciate it, and yeah, I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye bye.